Tired of plain black bases making your Plague Marines look like they're floating? Well, let's fix that. In this episode we're building and painting a grim war-torn city rune base, perfect for your deck guard. Let's get stuck in. We're starting off by building some grimdark city rune bases from scratch, and the first thing I did was that I glued down some tin corkboard to act as a cracked, broken road, and I made sure to roughen up the edges. Then I chopped up some old plastic sprues into tiny bricks and rubble. This is what actually took the longest part of doing the base. I knew I had a pile of empty sprues somewhere, and it took me a while to find them, but I always knew they would come in handy someday. These were glued down for that urban war zone vibe. For some extra detail, I stripped down gardening wire to get some tin cabling, made some shapes with it and stuck it onto a few bases, and I even used the leftover rubber casings as broken city pipes. To blend together and cover gaps, I put some super glue down and I dipped it into some sand to make sure to cover everywhere. Now onto the painting, and fair warning, it gets a little chaotic. Parts are painted out of order a little bit, but that's part of the charm of painting sometimes. I started with a full base coat of Eshin Grey. Originally I was going to use Mechanica Standard Grey, but unfortunately I ran out after 3 bases. It's on the list of paints that I need to buy, but Eshin Grey did the job just fine. Once that dried, I shaded the whole thing with Nuln Oil to give it some depth. Then I picked out the metal wires and pipes using lead belcher for their base coats. To sell the look of the city street, I painted road markings using Averland Sunset. And once dry, I went back with Eshin Grey and dabbed on some chip and damage to make it look worn down. I was a bit worried that the Averland Sunset might have been a little too bright of a colour, but then I gave it a warm wash with Skeleton Horde. This helped separate it visually from the rubble, but it still gave it that dusty, weathered feel. I went back to Nuln Oil to give the metal parts another shade, and I really darkened it down. Next we tie it all together with some texture, and I dry brushed Dawnstone over the rocky road areas. Light pressure, just enough to catch the edges. The metal pipes and wires got a dry brush of Stormhost Silver to add that worn highlight. And then to push the rust effect, I added Rise of Rust. It's super bright, so after it dried, I toned it down slightly with Nuln Oil to blend it back in. Yeah, 3 shades of Nuln Oil. I did say it was going to get a little chaotic. And that's it. A gritty, weathered city rune base that'll really ground your deck guard in the 41st millennium. I was really happy how the sprue bits turned out, and with an almost endless supply of empty sprues, it was finally good to use them for something. The road stripes were done very easily, and turned out much better than I thought, even though they are mostly obscured. There are a ton of things that can be added onto your city runes, and I'll keep experimenting with it for the rest of this army. But if you've got any of your own ideas or materials for basing, let me know in the comment section below. And if this helps you out, please slap that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next deck guard painting episode.